Hi, my name is Joel Gustafson. I'm the Grant Project Manager at Positive Legacy, and we're here on site in Xcacel in Quintana Roo, Mexico. The Day of Service was created as a chance to allow people to come to a particular location, get their hands dirty, do some work with the locals, and it also enables the Grant Project to become larger than one project that we could do. We essentially bring multiple groups in over a period of time to continue to develop the site or the program.
Hi, I'm Jess Grease. I'm one of the original board members of Positive Legacy. 10 years ago, a group of people decided to grab some trash bags from the bar at the event and come pick up trash on a beach. No real plan beyond that. Now we're 10 years in, and it's just amazing how much it's grown.
My name is Marco. We have a foundation called Fundación Más Selva. We start working together to protect areas like this. We have projects with the Mayan communities, the ones that are farthest from the cities, to provide them, with infrastructure, music, culture. Our job is to preserve the Mayan heritage of this area. Today, there was 45 people. We did a micro beach cleanup. About 300 meters of beach were picked up, the little plastic debris and stuff like that. And also we built a fence to establish a limit so people doesn't put their cars around. We need to protect the vegetation. We brought kids from one of the Mayan communities we're also supporting in Nuevo Durango to do a mural painting, restore the signage of the area.
Here we are developing a 2-year plan with our partners for various projects that will help them become more independent, more sustainable, and essentially create a park that is self-sufficient and no longer needs funding from private or public entities.
Our ability to do bigger projects has obviously grown, and it's become more and more important to find things that we can work with year over year over year. And we spend a lot of time looking for those right partners where we can have a big impact.
As Grant Project Manager, it's my job to essentially travel to locations, develop relationships with organizations or foundations in the area that we want to further our development and our partnership with. We will look for NGOs that we can partner with on a long-term scale. By doing so, we are able to really create a lasting impact, therefore taking the money that we raise on sites at various events and truly making it go as far as we possibly can.
Areas like this are disappearing quickly. Developers would love to get their hands on this space, and we're interested in protecting it for generations of turtles rather than generations of tourists.
Positive Legacy is going to be doing a lot of makeovers here for the infrastructure that they have, and also to build more dorms for specialists to come here and help during the nesting season.
So we at Positive Legacy have various ways for people to participate, either on-site or at home. There's many platforms that you can get involved with. All of those platforms lead to this moment and these projects. Anything that you've done in the past or hope to do in the future will enable us to continue growing our projects across the Caribbean and across the United States. Without people like yourselves, we wouldn't be able to do what we do, and I'm extremely grateful personally to have the opportunity to do what I do, and couldn't thank you guys enough.
Love you, big loves from Tulum, Mexico, and from Quintana Roo.
So keep your support coming, and we'll keep doing amazing things across the Caribbean on your behalf.
Thank you so much. Keep doing it. We need you guys, and we're here to make it work.
Gracias.